Hello everyone! Have you ever tried to make a game? If yes, how far did it go? Pretty hard was it, yeah? So the thing is, I was sitting and thinking about how cool it would be if I made a game. But there was a little problem. I hadn't got any ideas. After that, I started to think about something very simple, basic. And after long hours of thinking, not so long, by the way. Yeah, so our long hours of thinking, I finally got it. The idea of the game was trying to get rid of fire on the torch. Yep, that's simple. And I started creating. So, first of all, I needed a design for my game. As a non-artist person, I decided that the game will be in 2D, so the design will also be in 2D. And also all objects in a game will be in pixels. Pixel art. That's the website that I found to create my game objects. I know there are many softwares out there to create art using pixels, but I was kinda lazy, plus I needed to save space on my PC, so that was the most efficient way to make a design for the game. After a few days of drawing, I got torch, water block, gas block, wall block, background, and a box that I can move in game. Then I have designed my first level in Unity. Here is it, by the way, but at that moment it was without text. The next question that appeared is movement. Firstly, I easily done the torch movement using WASD keys on keyboard. But because the game was on mobile, I needed some sort of joystick. About that I was thinking at the moment. At the first, problem appeared. The thing was that I wanted a dynamic joystick, so when you tap it appeared at that place where you touched. But when I tried this joystick, it didn't appear for me, so you were kinda controlling the torch using swipes instead of joystick. Then I thought that it's okay and left the movement in peace. As you can see, all the animations are done because it was kinda easy to do it. What about the triggers? There was also nothing hard. You just needed to add text to water and gas, and then say that if you are colliding a specific tag, you are doing a specific action. Then, when I've completed basics, I have started working on the game UI. First of all, I've drawn these buttons and the name of the game. Programming those buttons was also not hard as programming these level buttons, back to menu button, next level button, and the retry button. So, I've done 10 different levels to test the mechanics of the game, and then sent my game to my friends, testers. And first thing they all said is that the movement of the torch was insane. I knew that, so I immediately started changing the controller. I changed the joystick on buttons, but the programming of these buttons was a pure torture. Why? Because there was no tutorials about how to do the buttons for the game character that can move all two axes, not only one plus jumping. Also, when I tried to just adapt my old code for keyboard to it, I got this when I was holding a button.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
How have I fixed that? Well, let's get back to the intro of this video. Stop. So, here I've done two voids for two axes, which allow movement in each axis. Also, I've done the don't allow movement void for both of them, so when the pointer will be up, the torch will stop moving. And that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching this video, I really appreciate that. I put so much effort in it, so can you please hit like and subscribe buttons. Also, you can download this game using the link in the description or just type in Fire Splash in Google Play. And if you guys enjoy this sort of content, share your opinion in comments. Well, see you in the next videos.